An international anti-uranium mining activist and an ardent advocate for clean energy, Rev PBM Basaiawmoit today expressed deep appreciation to landowner Spility Lingdor Langrin and her daughters for their unwilling to part their land at Keleng Pendeng Soyong Mautaba in southwest Khasi Hills at an exorbitant price of over Rs 40 crore. Reverend Basaiawmoit said he was one of the passionate anti-uranium mining activists not only in Meghalaya but also around the globe. But it all depends on the landowners so as to whether or not they give their land for this purpose. He said that the initial state, former Meghalaya legislator of Sorangkham Assembly constituency Sanbor Lingdor, was then very enthusiastic about uranium mining in West Khasi Hills, as uranium mining in the state would provide employment opportunities, including enhancing the economic conditions of the people. Reverend Basaiawmoit said Sanbor Lingdor immediately changed his mind after he managed to convince him of all the ill effects on life, animals and environment. He termed uranium as a rainbow serpent that should be left untouched for what reasons it may be. Reverend Basaiawmoit said uranium mining for whatever purpose should be avoided and clean energy like wind, solar and hydro should be utilized for generating power.
Nuclear energy is not a renewable energy, it's neither a clean energy. After you process it, then it may become clean. But in the processing, right from the mining, until you get that refined atomic plant, nuclear plant, how many people are going to suffer, are going to die? And not only die instantly, but it takes years. Even genetic mutation takes place, which some scientists are denying that fact. So, if you want clean energy, it is solar energy and wind energy, not nuclear energy. So don't say nuclear energy for peaceful purposes. There is no peace once you start mining of uranium. As the indigenous communities of Australia said, uranium is a rainbow serpent. It is meant to sleep for ages and ages, but don't disturb its sleep. Once you disturb the sleep of the rainbow serpent, then you have to pay hell. There is no way to repay the damage it will cause, the disaster it will cause. So we go with the indigenous people of Australia. Let uranium lie down there. It has got its work to do there. Maybe to fertility down there, because it's mixed up with different minerals and different chemicals down there. You cannot isolate it alone and produce either what you call as nuclear energy for electricity or nuclear weapons, nuclear missiles. So that is our stand. If we know wherever it happens, we will join with others in solidarity. And my friends also will be in solidarity with us.